Hello guys, welcome to my channel Learn English with Krishna. Today you are going to learn how to use should in English sentences. Do you really know how to use should? No? Then this video is for you. The word should is a modal verb and can be used in many different ways. The meanings of should changes with situations. Let's take a look at some examples. Here's the one use of should. You can use should to express your opinions about somebody, something. For an example, government should decrease the prices of goods in the market. What does it mean? It means it would be better if government decreased the prices of goods in the market so that poor people could afford the goods easily. Here's another example. I think he should tell his father. I thought it is a good idea. If he tells his father must give him the right advice. In the same way, there are other uses of should. You can use should for giving or asking for advice. Here's an example. You should stop worrying about it. I gave him the advice not to worry about it. Everything's gonna be alright. Should I call him and apologize? You do not know whether it is right or wrong. That's why you are asking for an advice. Would it be better if I called him and apologized? You can also use should to give negative advice. You should not eat pizza for dinner every night. You should not watch television at late night. That means watching television at late night can affect your health. You can use should to criticize past mistakes. Here are some examples. You should have told me in the beginning. That means you didn't tell me. If you had told me in the beginning, I would have done something. I would have arranged. I would have fixed anything. But you didn't tell me. Here's another example. You should have studied harder for your IIT exam. The fact is, you did not study hard for your IIT exam, and now you think this was a mistake. You're regretting. You can use should to refer to a possible event or situation. An example. He should be busy on his work. Well, I think there's 50% chance he's probably busy on his work. Another example. They should be at Delhi University. I don't know where they are now. I think they are probably at Delhi University. Should have many uses. Should can convey different meanings with situations. Here are some other uses of should. You can use should to say something that was expected has not happened. It should be snowing now, according to the weather forecast. It means it was expected to be snowing now. Another example. The bus should have arrived 10 minutes ago. The fact is, bus has not yet arrived. Here are some other uses of should in English. You can use should as the past form of shall when reporting what somebody has said. He asked me what time he should come. His words were, "What time shall I come?" So, that's the end of the lesson. I hope you have learned something new. You can find more interesting lessons on our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.